coho fire sauce.
Crawfish, kibasi sausage, boiled potatoes, mussels, and some shrimp.
Oh yeah. That's good. Let the magic happen. Let's taste it. Suck the juice.
I think I did a good job.
I went to go do some drone videotape. I was gonna go fishing. Forgot my fishing pole. And I came across these. They're like, come get me, come get me. So here they are.
We're gonna make crawfish. It's like midnight. But he just got back, so we're gonna do it now anyways. So we're actually going to, I got some butter. But we're gonna melt this butter, and then I have maybe like 20 cloves of garlic or something, all chopped up. I'm gonna add this Old Bay seasoning. I've never had it, but I'm a sucker
for the logo. See?
How much do you guys use when you guys use this?
About half. But we'll do taste. Little by little.
Frank's Red Hot.
Okay. We'll try that.
And I thought I would try it. I don't know.
I think this will do. Yep.
I really like Frank's Red Hot. Throw it in.
Should we do a taste test?
I think we could turn it off now, because butter's all melted and doesn't really need to cook. Alright. And I figured put some paprika.
Cayenne? Okay.
No, we're out of cayenne. So put a little paprika. And I know we already have a lot of garlic in it, but let's put more garlic, because you could never have enough garlic.
Coho fire sauce from the volcano ramen noodles. Alright.
So we have the crawfish, and then we got some kibasi sausage, boiled potatoes, mussels, and some shrimp.
You want to try it?
No.
All of it? Or save a little bit for the... Here. We'll save the... Just mix that up.
I'm just gonna mix this and put it back on the metal tray.
Let me get the shrimp.
Oh, you better not spill it on my leg. Okay.
All right. Let's see. Oh. Oh yeah. That's good. Let the magic happen. Oh yeah, look at this. This is a 5-pounder, a 5-pound bag. I am. So, ooh, just the smell. Ooh. Oh yeah. Let's taste it. You gotta twist it. Suck the juice.
I think I did a good job.
Oh yeah. Twist the tail. Just pull that. Oh.
Potato?
Not doing a good job.
It doesn't taste spicy at all.
I know, it's manageable.
It's like there though.
Yeah, it's there. I mean, you could taste it, but it's not like, you know, extremely spicy where you can't eat it.
Mmm.
Jalapeno pepper's good. Let's do this one more time. Twist it. Suck the juice. Twist the tail. And then pull the meat off. I mean, it ain't much, but it's just a little piece. That's the price.
But he'd take crawfish over any other seafood any day for some reason.
I just love crawfish.
It's so little. I'm much more of a shrimp kind of girl.
I can eat a lot of it. Gotta try the claw. Just gotta crush. Oh man, too much. But there's actually some good, decent meat in this claw. Just try not to smash it. Either way, I'm not gonna get it.
Some of this kibasi. Mmm.
Let's try the shrimp.
Dip.
Oh, here's some mussel.
Oh man. It's starting to creep.
I think it's that volcano sauce.
Yeah.
But man, I like it. It's good. Gotta chase it with
Are you done with this?
Oh, damn, that tastes good with the beer. Look at this claw. It ain't big, but it's got some meat in there. There we go. Got the little nugget. There we go. Ain't much, but that is it. Definitely. Worth the mosquito bite. There you go. That little piece of shrimp or crawfish meat. And that's how you do it, folks. Just go like this. Let's pop that open.
I wish you would look at me like you look at a crayfish.
I do. Here, I'll get this big one for you. That one's pretty big. Uh-oh. Ow.
It's tastier when I don't have to do it.
Here's another nugget for you.
I'll give you that. They are tender. But they're way too much work for how small they are.
Not really. I enjoy doing it. That's some good beer.
It's a lager.
None of that Budweiser stuff. There's another good roll I can try to get. Potato. Potato's always good. Yeah. Gotta do this and this. One more jalapeno pepper, and that should be a wrap. It's really good. Can I get some rice? Just the sweetness of it. Yeah. Little piece of the sausage. That was delicious.